Hello and welcome! All around us, from jungles to back gardens, life takes to the air in a breathtaking display of color, sound, and ingenuity. Today, in Extraordinary Birds Nature's Marvels Unveiled, we'll meet some of the most remarkable avian masters of their environments. We'll explore shimmering feathers, problem-solving minds, and astonishing behaviors that allow birds to thrive in the world's most challenging habitats. Settle in. Our journey into avian wonders is about to begin. The story of birds is one of survival, beauty, and evolutionary artistry millions of years in the making. Our journey begins in the forests of the Indian subcontinent, home to the Indian peafowl, nature's living jewel. The male's train, not a tail but elongated upper tail coverts, is a marvel of structural engineering. Microscopic structures on each feather refract sunlight, creating iridescent colors that shift with every movement. This dazzling display comes at a cost. It's heavy, cumbersome, and makes the peacock an easy target for predators. So why has evolution favored such extravagance? The answer lies in courtship. The male selects a display ground and raises his train into a spectacular fan over 2 meters across. He quivers, sending a low-frequency hum through the ground, and hundreds of eyes on his feathers mesmerize the onlooker. The peahen inspects the train, judging its size, symmetry, and vibrancy, a sign of good genes. The dance is dynamic, strutting, turning, and rustling feathers to catch the light and create a rhythmic sound. Only the most impressive performers succeed in passing on their genes. The peahen's choice may seem anticlimactic, but for the successful male, it means the continuation of his lineage. For us, it's a reminder that in nature, beauty is a powerful force of evolution. The peacock's display is not just for show, it's a testament to survival and selection. In the wild, beauty is never just decoration. It's a strategy honed by millions of years. From spectacle to intellect, we meet the crow, a bird whose genius is often overlooked. Crows, found worldwide, are masters of tool use and problem solving. In New Caledonia, crows craft tools from twigs to extract grubs from logs, a learned skill passed down through generations. Different crow families even have unique tool cultures, much like human tribes. In experiments, crows show an understanding of cause and effect, dropping stones into water to raise a treat, demonstrating physics in action. Their social intelligence is remarkable. They recognize human faces, remember kindness or threats, and share this knowledge with their flock. Crows hold grudges, remember favors, and sometimes leave gifts for friendly humans. Their communication is complex, with a vocabulary of caws and clicks conveying detailed information. In cities, their intelligence shines. In Japan, crows use traffic to crack nuts, retrieving them safely at red lights. The crow challenges our ideas of animal intelligence. It plans, remembers, and even has culture. This unassuming bird is a reminder that intelligence is everywhere in nature. We are not alone in our cleverness. The world is full of minds worth respecting. Now to the Americas, where the hummingbird defies physics with its dazzling flight. The bee hummingbird, the world's smallest bird, weighs less than a penny but boasts a heart that beats over 1,000 times a minute. Its wings rotate in a figure eight, generating lift on both strokes and allowing it to hover motionless. This hovering is vital for feeding, using a specialized tongue to drink nectar from deep within flowers. Hummingbirds are essential pollinators, darting from blossom to blossom at incredible speed. Their wings beat up to 80 times per second, and during courtship even faster, creating the signature hum. To survive cold nights, they enter torpor, slowing their metabolism to near hibernation. Despite their delicate look, hummingbirds are fiercely territorial, defending flower patches with surprising aggression. They are tiny warriors, living at the edge of exhaustion. The hummingbird is a creature of extremes, smallest, fastest, and most energetic. Watching one is witnessing a miracle of design. Nature's ingenuity is packed into the tiniest of packages. Their fleeting beauty is a testament to life's relentless creativity. In every beat of their wings, the impossible becomes real. Deep in Australia's rainforest, the lyrebird reigns as nature's greatest mimic. At first glance, it's a plain, ground-dwelling bird, but its vocal talent is unmatched. The male's syrinx, the most complex of any songbird, lets him produce an astonishing range of sounds. He flawlessly imitates the calls of other birds and the noises of his environment, cracking twigs, streams, even camera shutters and chainsaws. This surreal mimicry reflects both the richness and the intrusion of the modern world. The male builds a mound as his stage, unfurling his lyre-shaped tail and performing a concert for the discerning female. She judges not just the beauty of his song, but the accuracy and complexity of his imitations. Only the most accomplished mimics win her favor. Young males spend years perfecting their repertoire, adding new sounds as they age. The lyrebird is more than a mimic. It's a living record of its acoustic world. Its song weaves together the daily life of the forest. To hear a lyrebird is to hear the forest itself, echoed through a single, extraordinary bird. Nature's communication can be as complex and artistic as any human creation. The lyrebird reminds us, the wild is full of voices if we only listen. In its song, the forest lives on. High in the South American rainforest canopy, the harpy eagle rules as an apex predator. This giant, with a wingspan over 2 meters and talons the size of grizzly claws, is built for power. It hunts large prey like sloths and monkeys, snatching them from branches with crushing force. Despite its size, the harpy eagle flies with silent agility through dense foliage, using keen eyesight and acute hearing. A hunt is a masterclass in patience and precision. Hours of stillness, then a sudden, devastating strike. The eagle's nest, a massive platform high in the trees, is home to devoted parents who raise a single chick every 2 to 3 years. The young eagle depends on its parents for months, learning the skills needed to survive in the canopy. As an apex predator, the harpy eagle keeps the rainforest ecosystem in balance. Its presence signals a healthy, intact forest, but deforestation threatens its future. To see a harpy eagle in the wild is to witness the raw power of nature. Its piercing gaze and regal crest embody the untamed spirit of the rainforest. The harpy eagle is a feathered titan, majestic, rare, and irreplaceable. Protecting it means protecting the wild world it rules. In its survival, the fate of the forest is written. The harpy eagle is the sky's true giant. In the swamps of East Africa stands the shoebill, a bird straight from prehistory. Its massive shoe-shaped bill is both bizarre and deadly, perfect for catching lungfish. The shoebill's hunting style is patience incarnate. It stands motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect moment. When prey surfaces, the attack is explosive, a sudden lunge, scooping up fish and water in its enormous bill. It drains the water, swallows the fish, and resumes its silent vigil. Shoebills are solitary, maintaining large territories and communicating with eerie bill clattering. Their forward-facing eyes give them a piercing, binocular stare, excellent for judging distance. This ancient predator is a living fossil, a link to a distant past. But its future is uncertain. Wetland loss and slow reproduction make it vulnerable. The shoebill's presence is a solemn reminder of nature's endurance and fragility. To see one is to glimpse a world unchanged for millions of years. It is a sentinel of the swamp, both enigmatic and awe-inspiring. The shoebill's survival depends on the fate of its ancient wetlands. In its stillness, we see the patience of evolution. The shoebill is a relic, majestic, mysterious, and irreplaceable. In the misty cloud forests of Central America, the resplendent quetzal dazzles with mythical beauty. The male's iridescent green and crimson plumage, crowned by meter-long tail feathers, made him sacred to ancient Maya and Aztec peoples. Quetzal feathers were more precious than gold, reserved for royalty and priests. The bird's association with freedom endures. It's the national symbol of Guatemala and said to die in captivity. Quetzals are elusive, living high in the canopy and nesting in rotting trees. Their diet of wild avocados makes them vital seed dispersers for the forest. The male's courtship flight is a breathtaking display, soaring and diving, his tail streaming behind him. But the cloud forests are vanishing, putting the quetzal at risk. Protecting this bird means saving one of the world's most endangered habitats. The quetzal is a living jewel, a fleeting vision of natural perfection. To glimpse one is to witness the forest's soul. Their beauty is both a gift and a call to action. The treasures of our world are irreplaceable. The quetzal reminds us, protect the wild and its wonders endure. Our journey through extraordinary birds' nature's marvels unveiled comes to an end. From the peacock's display to the quetzal's beauty, we've glimpsed the ingenuity and wonder of the avian world. Each bird tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the creative force of evolution. Thank you for joining me. Share these stories and help inspire wonder and respect for the natural world. Subscribe to Everyday Essence for more journeys into nature's marvels. Until next time, keep looking, keep wondering, and stay connected to the extraordinary world around us.